Hey up, welcome. Today I'm just going to go through a quick video on changing the headlamp bulbs in the DAF XF. Before you begin, you're going to need a number 30 Torx bit and a spare bulb, naturally. Let's jump straight in. To access the front headlamps, you're going to need to get to the side panel, which is located on the second step in the driver's footwell or the passenger footwell. And you're going to need to undo these two Torx bits. Once these are undone, you can just take that panel off and set it to one side. Now, to get to the two sections for your bulb, this one's for the main beam and that one down there is for your high beam. So literally you're just going to unscrew that and take that out. That's going to give you access to the bulb. So you can twist it anti-clockwise, take the bulb out, and once you've replaced that, give that a quick twist, bob that back in, bob that back on, make sure that's nice and tight. That's just clicked into place. And there we have it, job done. Next day, bye bye.